Are you needing to take a dessert to your next family gathering? I'm going to show you how to make 2 different pies using this pumpkin spice instant pudding. Let's get started. The first pie we are going to make is a turtle pumpkin pie. Use a honey-made graham cracker pie crust and pour 1/4 cup of caramel topping in the bottom. Layer 1/2 cup of pecans over the caramel. I would have to say that pecans are one of my favorite nuts. In a bowl, add 1 cup of cold milk, 2 packages of JELL-O vanilla instant pudding, but here I use the pumpkin spice flavor pudding. Add 1 cup of canned pumpkin, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Using a whisk, mix everything together until blended. Stir in 1½ cups of whipped topping and mix well. Spread all of that into the crust. Top with the remaining whipped topping. The best thing about these pies is they are quick to make and you don't have to bake anything. Cover and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. For the second pie, we are making a triple layer pumpkin spice pie. In a bowl, add 2 cups of cold milk, 2 packages of the JELL-O pumpkin spice flavor instant pudding, and cinnamon. With a whisk, mix that together until well blended. Using another honey-made graham cracker pie crust, spread 1½ cups of the filling onto the bottom of the crust. Add 1½ cups of whipped topping to the remaining pudding mixture and stir gently. Spoon over the layer in the crust and top with the remaining whipped topping. Cover and refrigerate for at least an hour while we cook the pecans. In a small skillet on medium-low heat, add 1 tablespoon of honey and 1/2 cup of pecans. Cook for about 2 to 4 minutes, stirring frequently. When done, spread them onto a sheet of waxed paper. Make sure you separate them and let them cool. Just before serving, add them to the pie. I put them into clusters of 3 per serving. Slice up the pie and enjoy. For the turtle pie, slice up and drizzle with more caramel and pecans. Your desserts will be the next hit of the party. Remember to subscribe so together we can strengthen our families through food. We will see you in the next video.